Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play 3 doors down on guitar. We will begin by mastering the essential open chords that form the backbone of many of their hits. Focusing on G, D, M, and C major will give you a solid foundation. Practicing smooth transitions between these 4 shapes is crucial for developing fluidity in your playing. This initial step is key to unlocking countless songs. Next, let's dive into the rhythmic heart of their music, strumming patterns. Understanding common patterns, such as a simple down-down up-up-down-up, will bring your chords to life. Developing a consistent rhythm is vital for capturing the authentic feel of their songs. Remember to use a metronome. It is your best friend for improving timing and ensuring your playing is tight and precise. Now, let's elevate your sound by exploring power chords and iconic riffs. Power chords, typically using just 2 or 3 fingers, provide that signature heavier rock sound. Many 3 Doors Down songs feature memorable, straightforward riffs that are fun to learn. Additionally, practicing muting techniques is essential for achieving a cleaner, more defined sound, making your riffs truly stand out. Finally, it is time to put all these elements together and play your favorite 3 Doors Down songs. Combine the open chords, dynamic strumming patterns, and powerful riffs you have learned. Listen intently to the original recordings to catch every subtle nuance and feel. Consistent, regular practice is the key to building muscle memory, enhancing your skills, and gaining lasting confidence on your guitar journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.